Hey everybody, Bob Trade Genius, 16th of October. I want to show you the intraday action here on SPY. On Thursday, if you recall my video, I did kind of always go back to the scene of the crime of the opening of the week, and this was this number here, 349.12. And when we were bombing out here on Wednesday night, Thursday, I said we're going long into the end of the week, and we did. And we took this trade straight up. It broke through our 349, hit 3,500 on the SPX, and even 3,500 on ES, and stalled out. And what was kind of weird the whole day was that we started chopping, which is not too bad, but the rest of the market really wasn't, like, it was pretty lackluster. You'd think that there'd be a little bit more exciting action going on, but it wasn't. So we took these trades. This is for those who day trade with us, this is our fulcrum indicator. It's our VIP room, and so you just you trade the color scheme. It's our multi-time period pivot. And so once this ran its course here, we didn't really short this, but we had some bearish credit spreads on, so I guess it's kind of shorting it, but we weren't directional. And then we bought some calls here, and we ran it up, and then it started to fade, and then we got into the last hour. It got really interesting, and so I went ahead and I flipped to for puts on the trade, and this thing just dumped. And I'm still in 20 contracts for Monday, but this was about $2,600 worth of gains. It just kept falling and falling and falling and falling. Why I kept the puts on instead of just taking the profit and running with it is that this is really interesting phenomenon. So we have a easier to see what SPX USD is. We have 4 down days, okay, in a row, and that's a tell that a little bit more significant selling is coming upon us. The week after OPEX is usually bearish, and so we'll see if we get some follow through here. And I think things are just getting nastier and nastier now with the last 2 weeks of the election coming up. It's like for all the marbles, there's something under the current here, because Twitter and Facebook and Google, YouTube are all going crazy now, shutting people down. We have laptops showing up with all kinds of interesting information coming out of it, and things are getting shrill. So I'm looking for a pullback here, and the additional thing that we did was, and what I texted out to our subscribers, is that we've been in SQQQ and just rolling sold calls against it, and then we had a nice pop here at the end of the day, and just said to people earlier in the day, I said, get a hold of SQQQ going into next week, because I think it's going to be the one that's really going to run. And one thing I didn't notice, so I stole from somebody else's idea because I don't trade it personally, but this looked pretty scary. That's Amazon. That's Amazon's close. So I think something is up, and we shall find out. So anyway, I'll do some more videos this weekend, but just want to let you know, if you're interested in our signals, interested in our cool new toys to help you trade more effectively, give us a shout, tradelikeagenius.com, and we have some specials running. You can take advantage of them. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.